sorry. But yeah, thank you sa mga nagda-drop ng virtual gifts. Okay, so, ayun. Para malaman niyo lang, I'm gonna be doing live streams every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. sa account na to. And this is my first ever live stream. And basically, yung gagawin natin today is, catch up lang. Kasi sobrang tagal na natin hindi nag-usap at nagkita, guys. So, yun. I really want to talk to all of you. And medyo naglalag yung phone ko. Okay, okay. So, mamaya sa live stream ko, I'm gonna answer questions. So, I posted on my Twitter kanina na if you have any questions, just tweet your question with the hashtag #JustAskAndrea. So, inaabangan ko yung mga questions nyo. But, yun, before I start, I just want to have guidelines for tonight kasi, gusto ko ng, gusto ko I want all of us to maintain a safe and harmonious, welcoming engagement for everyone. Yung mga inappropriate words, mga bullying, harassment, anything na inappropriate, please, 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 wag na natin gawin, i-avoid natin yun. I hope we can maintain a really positive live stream and I hope lahat tayo mag-enjoy. So yun, right now, gusto ko lang makipag-catch up with you guys. Sobrang tagal kong nawala and gusto ko lang magkwento sa naging journey ko sa bahay ni Kuya na napakahirap, na sobrang sinubok talaga ako. But yun, sobrang gusto ko lang mag-thank you to all my sweethearts and my Diandi fam. Thank you so much for your support. Gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat every time na I see your messages and your comments. Sobrang kinikilig ako sa yung puso ko, napupuno ng pagmamahal niyo. Kaya maraming salamat. Your messages just really touch me. It really hits me in the heart. But yeah. Kaya ang liit ko kasi, ina-adjust na lang. Ang liit ko daw kasi, de. Okay. Let's go to the dress up. De. Para kita niya talaga. Hindi ako magmukhang. So, yun. Okay, so, of course, for tonight, I want to sing for you guys. So, ano ba pwede? When we reach every 200K diamonds, I'm gonna sing a song for all of you. And habang naghihintay tayo, I'm gonna answer questions. So, mag-tweet kayo ng hashtag #JustAskAndrea. Doon ako magbabasa ng mga questions nyo and sasagutin ko dito. So yeah, deal? Deal. But yeah, sa mga bagong dating, hello everyone! Welcome to my first live stream, Cheer Me Out! Ayun yung magiging title ng live streams ko. And inaabangan ko yung mga questions nyo. So don't forget to use the hashtag #JustAskAndrea on Twitter. Doon ko titingnan yung mga questions. Okay, so magkukwento lang ako. Grabe, hindi ko talaga expect na lahat ng nare-receive ko ngayon na opportunities. Hindi ko ina-expect. Sobrang thankful ako sa iyo. Ay! Sorry. Yeah, sobrang thankful ako sa inyo, guys. And I can see all the gifts na dinadrop niyo. Thank you so much sa mga gifts na dinadrop niyo. I miss the outside world. Sobrang na-miss ko yung outside world. Nung nakita ko when I first opened my Twitter, all the messages, all the comments, so heartwarming talaga. Nakakataba ng puso. You guys made my heart really full. And yeah, I'm so thankful. Sobrang naging mahirap yung journey ko dito sa PBB. I'm not gonna lie. It was like a big challenge. Sobrang nahirapan ako. Ang dami kong iyak dito. Alam mo yung iyak na makakagawa ng isang bagong pool dito sa bahay ni Kuya. As in, iyak ako ng iyak. Well, you guys know naman kung gaano ako kaiyakin. But yeah, I just have to say, it was all worth it. Lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. Sobrang laki ng growth ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya. Ang dami kong natutunan. And I remembered, just like a quick kwento, I remembered when I was auditioning for PBD. So, nag-hesitate pa ako noon. Like, in-invite ako ng mga friends ko noon na, dali, ano na tayo, audition, gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, paano na yung school ko? So sabi ko pa, kayo na yan, good luck, gano'n. And then, I auditioned, and then nakapasok ako, and then everything started there. Sobrang, like, I can't even explain how amazing this experience was. But, I wouldn't be able to be where I am right now kundi dahil sa inyo. Kaya maraming salamat. And I just want to let you guys know na, like I said earlier, every 200K diamonds, I will sing for you. And if may request kayo, I can get like requests from you guys. Wait a minute. Wait lang. Naglalag yung phone ko kasi. But yeah. They even let me borrow the mic. See? And it's so... hello? Hello, okay. I'm gonna start answering questions. So if you have any questions, use the hashtag JustAskAndrea on Twitter, and I'm gonna answer the questions there. Okay. Let's go. Ish, get it. My phone's lagging, so I'm really sorry. Malapit na tayo sa 200K, so I'm just gonna answer one question muna. Andrea, what is your message to those people who doubt themselves? I love you, Andrea. That's from Soft for Andy. Hi at Soft for Andy and sa mga taong dinadoubt yung sarili nila. Siguro yung message ko lang sa inyo is, I get na there are times talaga na we doubt ourselves, na marami tayong iniisip, like we overthink, and we can't just be okay, we can't just let the thought slip out of our minds. But I believe, like, you just have to trust in yourself. You just have to, like, remind yourself every day na kayang-kaya mo. You have to, like, acknowledge your strengths. You have to give credit sa mga kakayahan mo. And I feel like the more you acknowledge your strengths, the more na, wow, thank you so much for the chocolate hills. But yeah, the more you acknowledge your strengths, the more you acknowledge yourself and yung kakayahan mo. Parang little by little, mas naniniwala, mas magkakaroon ka ng tiwala sa sarili mo. And once na you have that trust sa sarili mo, like the rest will go along, honestly. Like, andun na yung initiative to do your best, andun na yung excitement na kahit mahirap, andun na yung confidence. So you just really have to trust yourself. And I know it's hard, I know it's easier to say it than do it. But then you have to really put action into, if you want something to happen sa buhay mo, you really have to do something about it. You can't just sit back and let it eat you alive. Like, you shouldn't let it get the best of you. You really have to do something to overcome them. And hindi mo naman kailangan harapin yung mga problema mo na mag-isa. There are people out there who love you and who support you, and you just have to, it's okay to ask help from other people as well. It's okay to, give credit to yourself. Because once you start doing that, the more na magtitiwala ka lang talaga sa sarili mo, and yung doubt na yon, yung takot na nararamdaman mo, mawawala yan pag konti-konti. So yeah, so I got 300K, 308,000 diamonds. Like I said, every 200K, I'm gonna sing a song. So, okay. What's a good song? My phone's lagging. And sa mga bagong pasok, hello everyone! Welcome to my live stream, Cheer Me Out with Andrea Abaya. Share this live stream to all your friends and your families, to all your social media accounts. And if you have questions for me, you can tweet it on Twitter by using the hashtag JustAskAndrea. Okay, so what can I say? What is a good song? Wait lang. Ang bagal talaga ng wifi. I'm so sorry. Pasensya na kayo, God bless. Ang bagal ng wifi ko. But hello, hi to everyone. I can see people saying hi to Benji and Roscoe. Hi Benji and Roscoe, I miss you guys. Okay. Wait lang, hindi nag-load that. Okay. Wait lang. My phone's not moving talaga. So I'm so sorry. What can I say? What is a good song? Oh my gosh, I can't believe you guys saw my cover. Like from 4 years ago. Yeah. Yun, I'm gonna sing that to you guys later. Pero sa end na yun. Para makita niyo yung difference. Wow, difference. But hello. Okay. I know what to sing. I was singing this kanina. With that. I'm gonna sing Ikaw at Ako by Moira. Tama ba? Me. Cover stage. My phone's not moving. Oh no. Walang araw darating ang inyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikutli ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mata at ang takot kong sakali mang ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di paasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. Ang taas pala nito. Hindi. Ang hirap. Hanap ko dalhin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Nako sa'yo kahit tayo na hinatili. sorry. Nandito kasi si Ben. Yung nakasaro ko. Ben, ano ba? Okay. Sa walang hanggan, di pasahin, di ka sasaktan. Wala noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. I'm gonna redeem myself. This song is not good. Okay, wait lang. So that's the first song. I'm gonna bow it. But my phone's not moving or anything. It's lagging. So I can't see the comments. Where's the market? Okay. So while waiting, I will ask another question. Okay. If you were given the chance to act, what genre do you want? I think if binigyan ako ng movie or teleserye, it's either romance. I would want a romance or like a rom-com, like romance comedy or horror. Like I really want to do a horror movie. Tapos ako yung natatakot ganun. Or ako yung monster, ako yung ghost. Like I really want to try that. Wala lang, ang kulang isipin na whenever na I'd watch horror movies, yung epekto kasi ng horror movie sa akin, like natatakot, like yung matatakot yung tao. And that's hard. It's hard to do something like that. So yeah, it's either a rom-com or a romance movie or horror. Either of the two. Next. Did you expect that you will make it to the Big Four and even place a second? This is from at Andy's Posable. Andy's Posable. Um, no, I did not expect to be part of Big Four. As in, akala ko, when I entered the house, ang gusto ko lang mangyari na, my goal honestly was just na sana ma-enjoy ko yung stay ko, na sana marami akong matutunan, na sana wala akong makaaway or anything, na I really wanted to enter para sa experience, para sa growth ko, para mas maging independent ako. Because in my audition video, I remember saying something na I want to be more independent. Like, I don't want to keep on relying sa parents ko. So, yun, that's why I wanted to join PBB. Kasi alam kong living with other people, with like strangers at first, alam kong it was gonna be a challenge. And yun, napakalaking challenge yun. And madami nga akong natutunan. As in, I know, like, I acknowledge the fact na I did grow dito sa bahay ni Kuya. So I wasn't expecting that I would be Big Four, and honestly, like, I didn't see myself as part of the Big Four. But that, that didn't stop me from doing my